Hello students, wish you a very good day. Welcome to Rishikul online English class. I am Amit Day here with the third chapter of the book Vistas. It is the fourth module of the article Journey to the End of the Earth written by Tisani Dosi. In this module, I am going to discuss the rest part of the synopsis what I started in module 3. Let's come back to the synopsis of the article. Human impact on the environment. Human beings have been on the earth for about 12,000 years. In this short span of time, we have changed the face of our environment for the worse. We have dominated the earth by establishing cities and megacities. This has led to encroachment of modern nature. We are limiting resources on the planet for other centuries. The paradox of climate change. There are many unanswered questions about climate change, and the narrator is alarmed by them. Will the West Antarctic ice sheet melt entirely? Will the Gulf Stream ocean current be disrupted? Will the world come to an end? In this debate, Antarctica has a major role to play because, as compared to other places, it remains years old carbon records trapped in its layers of ice. The Earth's past, present, and future lies hidden in Antarctica. Students on ICE program. This program aims at studying the ecological process in Antarctica. The narrator works on his project on board academic Sokolsky. It takes school students on the trip of Antarctica. The visit aims at generating a new awareness and respect for our planet in young, impressionable minds. The program has been in operation for 6 years. It is headed by a Canadian, Geoff Green. Earlier, he used to take celebrities, the retired, rich, and curiosity seekers to Antarctica for earning money. Gradually, he got sick of those people who gave nothing to the earth in return. So he decided to take school students there. It was his firm belief that young minds could learn and act better about the potential hazards regarding the environment which our earth faces. Now, it is the last part of the synopsis. A memorable walk on the ocean. The narrator says that the experience of strolling on the ocean in Antarctica was a never to be forgotten incident for all. At 65.55 degrees south of the equator, the narrator and the students were told to get down. They put on Gore-Tex ice shoes and sunglasses. On over 180 meters of salt water, there was a 1 meter thick layer of ice. Seals were sitting on the ice floes in the periphery. It was truly a memorable experience for all. The difference the Antarctic trip made. The author is overwhelmed with the beauty of balance in play on our planet. She has many questions in her mind, such as what would happen if Antarctica becomes a warm place? Will human beings survive on Earth? Whatever be the answer to these questions, she is full of optimism about the teenagers who are full of idealism to save the Earth after having made the trip to Antarctica. Now, I am concluding here. I think you have understood the article very properly. In the next module, I will discuss the question answers. Till then, bye. See you again.